Our journey begins at Davao Airport. It was Queenie's siblings' first time to travel using airplane.
Welcome dyan, Harris daw. Pumatid ko siya ano kung welcome dyan, Harris. Wala po siya asa. So, naana daw sila sa Cebu City. Wow, Cebu.
Grab taxi cost 400 pesos, 5.5 euro to the city center.
Thank you. The menus of Casa Verde.
We spent 1,400 pesos, which is 19 euro, for 4 of us to eat.
Let's just transfer to plates.
Mag-transfer na lang mo sa plates para hindi...
We got stuck somewhere about 1 hour away from Oslob because the bus tire went flat. We bought our tickets from South Bus Terminal and bus ticket was 200 pesos, 3 euro for the 4-hour journey. Anyways, luckily we were able to get into a new bus to continue our journey. $100 pesos, 1.4 euro for some grilled chicken per piece. It was my job to get some drinks from 7-Eleven. Here we have Queenie. After a very hard and long travel day, she's chilling with TikTok and Instagram. It's dark now, but we can swim here. Not really a super ultra mega nice beach, but you know, we have also a slide here that we can use. This hotel also has another slide for the pool. And all of this was just, what, 14 euro per night for 4 people. We decided to have a pool and beach day because we were still tired from the long bus journey.
Oh, don't try to sneak in. Slide here going directly to the ocean. But the water is kind of shallow, so I don't know what will happen if I try to slide there. It's easy when you put your legs like this. Yeah.
Slide? Slide it up! Because I went like that.
Face first.
Body, I was like a frog. Oslo waters are kind of shallow, so very mabaw. And behold, ocean.
1005th dance. Never ending show.
Day 3, we went to swim with the whale sharks early in the morning. It cost us 500 pesos, 7 euro per Filipino, and 1,000 pesos, 14 euro per foreigner.
The 3 soldiers.
After whale sharks, we came here to eat easily within walking distance. It's our favorite restaurant in Oslob because of the views.
Having a break. Yeah, I've tried hiking.
Water was super ultra mega cold, but it was okay for us.
The skirt is a paid actor.
Fighting! Oh! Let's go! Oh!
You look so desperate.
that's the end of our Oslob Cebu adventure. This trip gave us so many unforgettable memories, especially swimming with the whale sharks and experiencing Cebu together for the first time. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next adventure.